This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Thomas Devine. Move-in ready and completely furnished maintenance-free condo. The home with lots of updates: plantation shutters, replumbed in 2004, new electrical panel 2014, 11 new windows 2008 and newer appliances 2018. This home is a must-see with a relaxing landscape and water view and no homes behind you. This is living at its finest. With virtually everything included in the condo fees. Fees include gated security with 24-hour guard, premium cable, high-speed internet, all roof maintenance and replacement, building insurance, maintenance of the building exterior, all grounds maintenance and irrigation, pest control, water, sewer, trash and the very best world-class amenities. Transferrable KPW Silver plan which covers AC repairs and much more and can be prorated at closing. Kings Point is a resort-style, active retirement community. Gated, with 2 beautiful clubhouses, an 850-seat veterans theater in the north clubhouse, 4 heated pools, 2 hot tubs, an elegant spa, tennis courts, Scepter golf course and driving range, billiards, pickleball, state-of-the-art fitness centers, over 200 clubs and much, much more. Dozens of social and sports clubs make this one of the most popular communities in Florida. Kings Point and Sun City Center allow access to doctors, its own hospital, shopping, banking, restaurants, and virtually everything you'll ever need via golf cart. It even has its own transportation system, ambulatory and paramedic service. Centrally located on the west coast, near assortment of spectacular beaches, Tampa's convenient cruise port, Disney World, and some of America's best fishing, you will never run out of things to do and places to go here. Kings Point is an award-winning 55-plus community and one of Florida's best places to live. For more information, review the details below or contact Thomas Devine at 813-642-1500.